what you are up to right now?
You know, so just music, you know, I do one bag of music, and you know, then at the studio, and you know, I'm a build rhythm too, you know, I'm a producer as well. So I'm working on an album for Catch right now because I'm signed to Catch Records.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to put out the album the end of the year.
Okay. Now for those who are out there, and you know, we want to hear the trademark, of course, DeMarco, you know, tunes. Can you give us a sample of that?
You want a tune? I mean, yeah, DeMarco represent for all Caribbean Star TV. That man for all no Caribbean Star TV. And we say we not play with them. No, we not play with them. No, boom. And me say sort them out. They make the done go a jail tune them talking about. Yeah, DeMarco represent.
It's K-Star here again at Jamrock Reggae Fest at the Hammerstein Ballroom in New York City, and I'm here with the 2007 Miss Jamaica USA, and we're going to just, you know, let her tell you what she's been up to, you know, and how her reign has been going so far.
Well, I've spent a dominant portion of my reign finishing my last year in college. So I recently graduated 2 years ago. 2 weeks ago. I already feel like an old woman. But yeah, I spent most of my time doing that, and I graduated with honors. So I'm really happy.
Oh, congratulations.
One of the 2 Jamaicans in my class. So but besides that, I have been trying to visit as many children and schools as possible and really speaking to them about the importance of education and completing college and, you know, making sure that they're on the right path. And I've been visiting a lot of different events around New York City, including Jamaica Day at the South Street Seaport, where I saw you. And also I was blessed with the opportunity to go to a couple of press releases for Sumfest and Cara Fest, and it was really exciting to meet different people from the Jamaican government and especially the tourist board and Air Jamaica. I was really honored to meet all of those people. And now I have been blessed and given the opportunity to be here at Reggae Fest, and I'm really enjoying myself meeting all the artists, and really I was admitted into Miss Jamaica World, thank God, and I am training for that and getting ready to go over there and represent, because I'm everything Jamaica. I love Jamaica.
So on that, what did you get your degree in?
I got an honors degree in English, theater, and dance with a concentration in French and music. If I could just say one last thing, Jamaican women, you are beautiful, talented, intelligent, and poised, and you must advocate that. And I just want to say thank you for having me on Caribbean TV, and it's really been an honor. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Me and women, you know, she's been a great representation of us, the music, and all that is good about Jamaica. And of course, I'm talking about Cecil, you know, and she's been doing a fantastic job. She's been on the chart, she's out there, she's doing her thing. So I'm going to let her give you an idea of what she's been up to. So can you tell the people that are watching, that are global, I mean all over the world, just what you've been up to lately?
Caribbean Star, baby. Yeah, to the world. Well, you know what? I've just been continuing to do what I love to do, which is music. And, you know, I came out singing, stopped singing, started DJing, and, you know, the people are loving it. And then I just switched up on them the other day and come with I'm waiting. And I'm very surprised. Like, people think I'm a different artist. They think they didn't know it was me. And I'm like, but I came out singing. You know what? You know, I am so happy for all the love. And I just want all the Caribbean Star viewers to know, says Cecil, just ready for them. You want to check some of my stuff out? myspace.com/Cecil. Log on, send me a note. You know what? We're taking it to the world like Caribbean Star. We global.
Well, you know what? She looks so young, and I have to ask this question because I'm sure most of you are curious. How long have you been in this business now?
You know what? I've been in the business for a long time. My first hit came out, self-produced. I produced it in 2000. So you must know, you just have to keep yourself always relevant, and my idol was Madonna, or is Madonna, so you must know, you know, on my level, you know, I have the perfect idol. She's been reinventing herself for so many years. I mean, why not us Jamaican bad girls? Why not, you know?
Of course. And what has it been like as a female in this industry that's male dominated?
Right. You know what, I guess it's always not being scared of what people are gonna say when you do your stuff outside of the box. I came out and I've always try to be different. Not different from me, but different from everybody else. Try to be true to myself, but be different. Yes. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of times, women, they're scared to come out and just say what we say in the hairdressing parlor, yes. what we say to our girlfriends. Yes. And I'm the kind of girl who I go out and I say it and I represent for the women. They're like, oh my God, you know, that's so true. But that's all it is. You have to keep yourself relevant. You have to keep yourself out there. You cannot blend in. Real. You know, so bad girl thing we say to the world.
And of course, and for those that know my show, you know I say what's on my mind. So, you know, fans, what would you like to say to your fans today here that are watching?
You know what? I just want to big everybody up. Big everybody who has supported Cecile from the start. And the ones that are not supporting yet, don't worry, we're coming for you and we're going to get you. All right? We would like to work hard for it. Don't worry yourself. So, you know, it's, as I said, albums coming out. I don't think people can really get to know you without you having an album out there. I think the process of knowing who an artist is to become a die-hard fan, it goes through the process of albums. And this is my first one for this territory, so I'm very excited about that. I'm willing to go everywhere and promote myself for more people to know Cecile, because, you know, your fans are what makes you. You know what I'm saying? So we're coming for everybody.
Now, what have you been doing to keep yourself in shape and keeping yourself beautiful?
You know what?
Beauty secrets?
You know what? I walk up and down in a lot of airports. I haven't been to the gym in 2 years, but I always look fat on TV. I always, yes, even today the ladies are like, oh my God, we think you were 20 pounds heavier. I do. I have a round face. I have, you know, chubby cheeks. I got them from my grandfather. So sometimes, depending on the angle, I look really huge. But you know what though, it's all good. And I want to start working back out with a trainer, eating right, because ladies, that's very important to our health.
Yes, it is.
So we need to do that. All right.
So
Urban Star Network people, we're gonna help promote Cecile right show, you know, all the way.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. So thank you again and congratulations.
So Caribbean Star, big up yourself. I always say, I'm waiting. Caribbean Star is playing. Bad girl said that. Don't go nowhere.
Thank you. And it's Caribbean Star TV, K-Star, and Cliff and Cecile at the Jamrock Reggae Fest. Keep it.